The bird did not even touch your breakfast. Why did you chase at them? Why are you chasing them? No. They have also baby. They have baby. Hmm? Oh, why? You don't want them? Or you're just playing with them? Are you playing with the bird? Are you playing with the bird? Are you protecting the bird with the kitty cat? Okay. And where's the kitty cat? Did you see the kitty cat? But Mama saw what you did. No, you were chasing them. I saw that. They were just eating and drinking. Yeah, you're not allowed to chase the bird. Okay? Don't chase the bird. Let the bird alone. I know that's your garden. Yeah, that's your garden, but you share with the bird, okay? You let the bird alone, okay? No? Yeah. Are you friend with the bird? Are you friend with the bird? Are you good girl with the bird? Huh? Okay, Sadie's good girl. Is Mama's baby good girl? No? No? Is Sadie not a good girl? But I want you to be a good girl with the bird, okay? Don't chase the bird. Okay? Mama give them food and drinks. Okay? And then Mama and Papa give them our rest of the bread. What? Yeah, I know. You're protecting your little garden. But they're not doing anything. Okay, you protect the bird with the kitty cat, okay? Don't let the kitty cat come. So we have 5 kitty cat in the neighborhoods that always try to catch the birds, the little birdie. I don't know, is it good that Sadie's around? Because Sadie's protecting the bird when the kitty cat around. Yeah, you did a good girl. But when the kitty cat is not around, Sadie's playing with the birdies. Are you gonna share with the birdie? Okay. Say I love you to your friends. Say I love you, friends. Say I love you. Say have a great day. I love you. Okay. Good girl na? Go check your garden. Go check your garden. Huh? Katze? Where's the katze? Katze? Say, I love you. Alright, or thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Say bye.